The Link is Airlink's flagship corporate social investment program. The program identifies gifted youth from low-income backgrounds within the Airlink domestic network and exposes them to opportunities in aviation through STEM education. The Link STEM Innovation Challenge is an exciting annual event for grade 10 learners who excel in pure mathematics and physical science. Learners take part in a variety of stimulating, hands-on workshops that cover different science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-related concepts.
The first item that this year's Airlink Innovation Challenge is the Flight Simulator Station. Learners soared through the skies, experiencing the exhilaration of flight firsthand. At the 3D printing station, learners designed and printed their own creations, bringing their imagination to life.
At the drone stations, learners were taught how to build a drone so that they could understand the drone components and how they work together. Afterwards, learners also enjoyed the opportunity to fly brand new, top-of-the-range drones.
At the Artificial Intelligence Station, learners witnessed the power of AI, guided by a model of a smart home through an Arduino microcontroller.
Hi guys, my favorite was AI with Wasim. So Wasim showed us how to control an entire small house with just our cell phones. And my favorite part about AI was when we created electric circuits and our bodies were used as conducting wires.
At the Coding and Robotics Station, participants could delve into the theory of robotics and coding, as well as apply it by building a robot from scratch. Following the construction and wiring of their robot, they mastered the ability to drive their robots wirelessly using the Link Control app.
Learners also embarked on an immersive virtual adventure at the VR station, exploring various lands and cultures of the world.
What I enjoyed the most today was virtual reality because I got to understand how an imaginary or non-physical world can be brought to life with a glimpse of those Oculuses.
The mentorship station empowered learners with basic presentation skills. Its aim was to build self-confidence and teamwork whilst getting the teams ready for their big app presentations. Finally, it was time for the learners to present their mobile applications in front of the judges and their peers.
Nelson Mandela said, I quote, "Overcoming poverty is not a gesture of charity, it is an act of justice."
We've created an app called SWS Notifier, also referred to as the Sisho Water Shedding Notifier, which will notify the community of when, how long, and where will water shedding be scheduled.
We are the quad scientists, the proud creators of Job Hound.
We created this app to assist finding job or employment in a much easier, simpler, and more effective way.
Top teams earned prizes for their innovative application concepts and engaging presentations.
We are the four crews.
So I'd say it was very stressful because not only were we balancing our academic work, but we were also balancing other activities such as netball or home activities, chores, things like that, and our homework.
I really didn't expect it at all, but I am so happy that we made it in the end. I'm so proud, group. We made it!
Yay! The Link STEM Innovation Challenge, a celebration of excellence, collaboration, and the boundless potential of tomorrow's leaders.